Pagosa, RVerTV. Welcome. We're entering the town of South Fork, Colorado. Yay! I stopped for a little over an hour. I actually took a snooze for about 10 minutes. Been a lot of driving. Okay, looks like a nice little town. We're going mountain climbing. I was looking at Google Maps. We're going to go over a big old pass here. Look at this fifth wheel. He's got a long ways to go. It's supposed to be a pretty good grade going up through here. Oh, look at this. Trees. Mountains. Look at all the RVs on the left. My goodness. That is a big RV park. Wow. Look at all them guys down there. But what a place to stay. This is kind of like the southwestern end of Colorado. Perfect. Nice temperature. Look at the rock face. But there's a lot of traffic. Pine trees. Perfect. Postcard picture. Perfect. This is US Highway 160 westbound. We're climbing. This is a pretty good grade so far. Try to get that bug off the window here. Look at the clouds forming. We might even hit a little thunderstorm or something climbing over here. I bet they get some snow here by the feet. I'm sure there's ski lodges and whatnot. What a pretty drive. Look at this. Tree line, and we're climbing. Boy, traffic moves right along. Everyone's doing 55. Speed limit's only 50. What's this up here? Looks like a motel. I see a trailer. Yep, motel. A little gas station. Bet they get real busy later in the year, huh? When it's snowing. I'm gonna pull in here real quick. There's a chain up area. Hit the windshield. I can't keep up with the bugs. It's endless. As soon as I go 1 mile, I get them back. Let me clean this a sec. Okay, much better for a mile. Do you see that gate back there? That's where they close the road when it snows too much. Wow, we're climbing. Beautiful though, look at this. And on the other side of this mountain is Pagosa Springs. Big motorhome heading down. Pretty drive. I will definitely come back to Colorado. I could spend half a summer here exploring. I want to go back into Dakotas too. Okay, that sign says Lake Fork Trailhead. Oh, I bet there's all kinds of hiking, skiing. Who knows what else is up in here? Gold mines, probably. Colorado Rockies. And there are so many national forests here. I mean, when you look at it, the whole state on Google Maps, I mean, it's national forest after national forest. This is just pristine here. And it's getting steep. They just reduce the speed down to 45. Yeah, we're climbing at a pretty heavy rate. Ooh. Tunnel. Tunnel, tunnel. Check it out. I gotta get a drone shot of this. Look at that little road around to the side of it. Cool. Nice. That was picture perfect. My goodness. What a setting up on this mountain pass going through a tunnel like that. Oh, look at this pull out. I'm going to pull in. I'm going to launch a drone real quick. Oh no, there's a couple raindrops hitting the windshield. Maybe I can beat the rain. I had to set the compass in this thing. It's starting to rain big time. Take a quick look. I can't stay up long. It's raining. It's coming down. I don't want to wreck my drone. There's a quick look. Tag nabbit. Oh, goodness. You can see it raining. I gotta land. I can't fly in this stuff. Oh well. There's the tunnel. Probably the only dark cloud in the pass, and I had to stop in it. Oh well. We're gonna keep on trucking. See what else we find up here. Okay, here we go. Van's already dirty, so it don't matter. Get it washed off a little bit. This will help keep the windshield clean. Mother Nature car wash. Check this out. That's one of them snow tunnels. They got those on Interstate 80 through the Sierras. And so the snow doesn't come roaring down here and take you out. Well, trees are getting smaller in a hurry. We're getting near the top. We gotta be way up here. I don't know what the elevation. Hopefully there's a sign up here that'll tell us. Okay, I think we're close. Looks like road crew equipment. All their maintenance buildings. That'd be some kind of a job. Look at this motorhome, man. He's struggling. He's doing about 4 miles an hour. Got here, brake check area. This must be the top. They got warnings about going back down. Oh, look at sign. I'm gonna stop so you can get a picture here. Wolf Creek Pass, summit, you know it, 10,800 feet. I knew we were up there. Even the van was grunting and groaning coming up that hill. Well, you know the old saying, it's downhill from here. I bet this is a continental divide here too. I didn't see any signs for it. Oh, look at that hairpin turn. I bet they're right. Yeah, we're dropping quick. Watch how the trees get bigger too as we drop down. What a pretty drive, my goodness. Wasn't expecting all this. Another sign. They're really warning you about this turn up here. Hairpin turn. They don't want you going off the edge. There's a runaway truck ramp. Could you imagine being in a semi? No brakes and have to hit that thing. Oof. No way. I think we're at the hairpin turn. We made it here. Look at this. Hairpin turn. Hang on. Hang on. Are we gonna make it? This is a pretty good turn. Yay! We made it. Alright, we're down the hill. Pagosa Springs, here we come. Okay, everyone, the sign said Pagosa Springs. Welcome to Pagosa Springs, Colorado. There's a sign back there. That was the San Juan National Forest. Even though we're down the hill, I bet the elevation is still up there pretty good here. Wow, this is a nice town. Small town USA, here we are. Has the mountain feel. Look at all the pitched roofs. Like in the lower elevation to see the brick buildings with the flat roofs. But look how they're pitched here because of all the snow. Old buildings though. That's all old style construction. Well, what a neat little place. Look, old movie theater right there. All kinds of shops. Little restaurants. Nice. Looks like we're getting out of town. We're getting close to destination. I'm heading towards Cortez. That's where I'm calling it a night. Gonna stay right on this US 160. I think we go through a little town called Durango or something too up here. Description, there's all kinds of ways to help support the channel. Buy a cup of coffee, click on a link, shop on Amazon, t-shirts, mugs, you name it, towels. Help support, make the channel grow. we're getting down in here to where Durango is. Well, look at the sign. We're staying on 160. We're going to make a left, it looks like, up here. We're heading over to Cortez. What an absolutely beautiful state to travel through, Colorado. I mean, it just keeps on giving mile after mile. Whether you're in the mountains or the flatlands, it's gorgeous here. Alright, we're dropping down in elevation. Gonna spend the night in Cortez, and then from there we're heading home. But I'll find something to film along the way. Okay, here's Cortez, Colorado. Alright, tomorrow's video, we'll be in Arizona. Talk soon.